Molly is gonna do an unboxing. Show us the box. Hold it still. Warrior Cat Mini Mystery Plush, because she has the books. Show us which ones we can collect. She already has Brightheart.
Yeah, Brightheart.
I hope she gets Hawk Frost. And which one did you want?
Hawk
You want?
Frost
He looks cool. Or the orange one.
or Yellowfang.
Okay, open it up.
Where's the
What's she gonna get?
I got the one I wanted, Yellowfang.
Let me see.
I got Yellowfang.
Got Yellowfang. Let me see him up
Yellowfang.
close. Oh, yeah. Oh, he's kind of cute. He's got a green ear. He's a lightning tribe or something, or what are they?
ThunderClan.
ThunderClan. Okay.